Welcome to हाम्रो English Guru YouTube channel. आउनुहोस् आज सारै महत्त्वपूर्ण अंग्रेजीका शब्दहरू साथसाथै तिनीहरूको वाक्य र अर्थ सिकौं. Let's practice some very important English words along with their Nepali meanings and sentences. ल सुरु गरौँ है त. Let's begin. Puzzled अथवा confused. यसलाई हामी अकमक्क अथवा अलमल्ल भन्छौं. तिमी अकमक्क देखिन्छौ. You look puzzled. You look puzzled. अर्को वाक्य म अब के गर्ने भनेर अलमल्लमा परेको छु. I'm puzzled about what to do next. I'm puzzled about what to do next. I'm puzzled about what to do next. कोही अकमक्क परेको देख्नुहुन्छ. तपाई सोध्नुहुन्छ तिमी किन अकमक्क परेको? Why are you puzzled? Why are you puzzled? यही सेन्टेन्सलाई Why are you confused पनि सोध्न मिल्छ. तिमी किन अलमल्ल परेको? Why are you confused? अन्तिम वाक्य हेरौं न है यसको. मलाई अलमल्ल नपार. Don't confuse me. यही कुरालाई Don't make me confused पनि भन्न मिल्छ. Don't confuse me. Don't make me confused. Confuse को अर्थ भ्रममा पार्नु पनि हुन्छ है. अब यो भ्रममा पार्नु पर्नेवाला अर्थ हेरौं न. भ्रममा पार्नु अथवा अलमल्ल पार्नु confuse. तिमीले मलाई भ्रममा पार्यौ. You confused me. You confused me. अब यो हेरौं. Unimaginable. सँगसँगै भन्नुहोस्. Unimaginable. Unimaginable भन्नाले अकल्पनीय. विश्वमा अकल्पनीय घटनाहरू घटिरहेका छन्. There are unimaginable incidents happening in the world. There are unimaginable incidents happening in the world. There are unimaginable incidents happening in the world. अर्को वाक्य The two made unimaginable amounts of money. दुवैले अकल्पनीय पैसा कमाए. The two made unimaginable amounts of money. अब यो हेरौं. अकाट्य. यसलाई irrefutable भनिन्छ. Irrefutable. उसको वचन अकाट्य छ. His words are irrefutable. His words are irrefutable. अर्को वाक्य यो एक अकाट्य सत्य हो. This is an irrefutable truth. This is an irrefutable truth. अकस्मात भन्नाले unexpectedly, unexpectedly. This happened unexpectedly. यो अकस्मात भयो. This happened unexpectedly. अर्को वाक्य Unexpectedly I had to go. अकस्मात मैले जानु पर्यो. Unexpectedly I had to go. अब यो हेरौं. In front of भन्नाले अघिल्तिर. तिम्रो घरको अघिल्तिर के छ? What's in front of your house? What's in front of your house? अर्को वाक्य हेरौं न त. तिम्रो घर अगाडि मेरो घर छ. I have a house in front of your house. I have a house in front of your house. अवगुण भन्नाले डिफेक्ट. यो मेसिनमा निकै अवगुण रहेछन्. There are many defects in this machine. There are many defects in this machine. अर्को हेरौं. We must find out the defect of this machine. हामीले यो मेसिनको अवगुण पत्ता लगाउनु पर्छ. We must find out the defect of this machine. Advance भन्नाले अग्रिम. मलाई मेरो अग्रिम कमाई चाहियो. I need my advance payment. I need my advance payment. अर्को वाक्य. You must pay in advance for the ticket. तपाईले टिकटको लागि अग्रिम पैसा तिर्नै पर्छ. You must pay in advance for the ticket. Have you already liked this video? Like गरिसक्नु भएको छैन भने अहिले गरिदिनु होला. अपूर्ण अथवा अचकल्टो. यसलाई incomplete अथवा half done. काम अचकल्टो छोडेर नजाऊ. Do not leave your work incomplete. Do not leave your work incomplete. अर्को वाक्य रहेको छ. Your homework is incomplete. तपाईको गृह कार्य अपूर्ण छ. Your homework is incomplete. अचकाली excessively. मेरो भाइ अचकाली खान्छ. My brother eats excessively. My brother eats excessively. अर्को वाक्य. I don't eat excessively. म अचकाली खादिन. I don't eat excessively. अचेल भन्नाले nowadays. कोही पनि अचेल गाउँमा आउँदैनन्. No one comes to the village nowadays. No one comes to the village nowadays. अर्को वाक्य. Nowadays a lot of people work from home. आजकल धेरै मानिसहरू घरबाट काम गर्छन् अथवा अचेल भन्दा हुन्छ अगाडि. Nowadays a lot of people work from home. Yet भन्नाले अझ अथवा अझै. बुवा अझै आइपुग्नु भएको छैन. Father has not arrived yet. Father has not arrived yet. अर्को वाक्य. The best is yet to happen. सबैभन्दा राम्रो अझै हुन बाँकी छ. The best is yet to happen. अठोट अथवा दृढ संकल्प determination. म सधैं दृढ संकल्पको साथ काम गर्छु. I always work with determination. I always work with determination. अडान भन्नाले a stand. गाउँलेहरूले आफूमाथि भइरहेको अन्याय रोक्न अडान लिए. The villagers took a stand to stop the injustice happening with them. The villagers took a stand to stop the injustice happening with them. Injustice भन्नाले अन्याय. The villagers took a stand to stop the injustice happening with them. हामीले जातीय भेदभावको विरुद्ध अडान लिनुपर्छ. We have to take a stand against racism. We have to take a stand against racism. पाहुना अथवा गेस्टलाई अतिथि. हामीले अतिथिहरूको सम्मान गर्नुपर्छ. We should respect our guests. We should respect our guests. अर्को वाक्य We should welcome the guest. हामीले अतिथिलाई स्वागत गर्नुपर्छ. We should welcome the guest. अतीत भन्नाले past. अतीतको कुराहरू भुलेर अघि बढ. Forget the things of the past and move forward. Forget the things of the past and move forward. अर्को वाक्य विगतका लागि नरौ. Don't weep for the past. Don't weep for the past. अतुलनीय incomparable. आमाको माया अतुलनीय हुन्छ. Mother's love is incomparable. Mother's love is incomparable. अर्को वाक्य उसको गाउने आवाज अतुलनीय छ. His singing voice is incomparable. His singing voice is incomparable. अत्तर scent अथवा perfume. त्यो अत्तरको बास्ना राम्रो छ. The smell of that perfume is good. The smell of that perfume is good. अर्को वाक्य तिमीले कुन अत्तर लगाएका छौ? What perfume are you wearing? What perfume are you wearing? Be sure to subscribe to this channel Hamro English Guru for daily videos like this. Atto patto. No sign. त्यति टाढासम्म कसैको अत्तो पत्तो छैन. There is no sign of anyone that far. There is no sign of anyone that far. अर्को वाक्य There is no sign of him anywhere. उसको कतै अत्तो पत्तो छैन. There is no sign of him anywhere. अत्यावश्यक भन्नाले very essential. 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 किनमेल गर्दा अत्यावश्यक सामानहरू मात्र किन. Buy very essential things only while shopping. अथवा only buy very essential things while shopping. Buy very essential things only while shopping. अर्को वाक्य अंग्रेजी सिक्दा आवाज निकालेर पढ्नु अत्यावश्यक हुन्छ. It is very essential to read aloud while learning English. It is very essential to read aloud while learning English. Read aloud भन्नाले आवाज निकालेर पढ्नु. Read loudly भनेको ठूलो स्वरले पढ्नु र read silently भनेको आवाज ननिकाली पढ्नु. It is very essential to read aloud while learning English. अदृश्य invisible. यस्तो अँध्यारोमा सबै अदृश्य छ. Everything is invisible in this dark. Everything is invisible in this dark. हाम्रो अन्तिम वाक्य कहिलेकाहीँ म अदृश्य हुन चाहन्छु. Sometimes I want to be invisible. Sometimes I want to be invisible. आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. Be sure to like, share and subscribe. Take care. Have a good day.